There. Next question. Do you want me to tell you how to get to the airport?
Yes, I want you to tell me how to get to the airport.
Okay, again.
I want you to tell me how to get to the airport.
Okay, we'll ask him the same question.
Do you want me to tell?
Yes. Together, repeat. Want somebody to. Want somebody to. Okay, again.
Want you to. Do you want me tell?
Do you want me
To tell.
Yes.
Do you want me to tell you how to get to the airport?
I want you tell me.
To.
I want to tell me.
I want you
I want you
to tell me.
tell me how to get to the airport.
Okay, again, repeat. Want somebody to. Want
Somebody
to. Again.
want somebody to
Again.
want somebody to
Again.
want somebody to.
Okay. Ask her the same question.
Do you want to me?
Do you want somebody?
Do you want me to tell how to get?
Tell you.
Do you want me to tell you how to get to the airport?
Yes, I want you to tell me how to get there.
Okay, good. Then, okay, please make your own question sentence and ask me. Anything. Just use want somebody to. You can use he, she, they, I, you, anything.
Okay. Do you want me to prepare? Do you want me to prepare you?
Again. Okay, teacher, correct? Right? Dean, correct? What did you say again?
Do you want me to cook for you tonight?
Good. Yes.
Do you want me to cook for you tonight? Cook you.
No. Don't cook it. We are going to misunderstand Japanese culture.
Do you want me to cook for
Yes.
you tonight?
Yeah.
Do you want me to cook for you tonight?
I want to cook for dinner tonight.
Cook for me.
Cook for me.
Or cook dinner
Cook dinner
for
for
me.
me.
Yeah. Again.
I want you to cook dinner for me tonight.
Okay. Can I cook for you?
You can.
Okay, good. So you can tell the students so that both of them can learn from partner's mistake. Cook something or for somebody. Okay, not cook somebody.
Is it correct?
Correct sentence, but it means cook. Good. Next. For me, he's a little bit, he needs more time for this one. So maybe I'll give him homework. Okay, tomorrow you are going to ask her the same, different question. Okay? So you have to create it. Okay? You have to make own question sentence. And tomorrow we can ask. Okay. Okay, reading sentence. I think it's getting late. Looks like I should go home now. Please use don't yet. I think it's getting late. Looks like I should go home now. Use want somebody to.
I want you to go home.
Again. Try it again. Yes.
I want you to go home.
Yet.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I want you.
I don't want you
I don't want you to
go home.
go home yet. I don't want you to go home yet.
Really? Not I want you to go home.
I don't want.
Yes.
I don't want you to go. I to go home. Yes.
You can use this to your boyfriend or someone you like.
Ah, okay.
I don't want you to go home yet. Very useful. Yeah, true. This is a very common expression. Okay. Okay. Ask him. Tell him the same sentence. I think it's getting late.
I think it's getting late.
Looks like
Looks like
I should go home now.
I should go home now.
Again, one more time. I think.
I think it's late.
It's getting late.
I think it's getting late. Looks like I should go home now.
I don't want you to
Go home.
go home.
Yeah. Again.
I don't want you to get home yet.
Get home yet. In this case, we have to say go home yet. Get home and go home is similar, but it's slightly different. So you say go home. Go home.
The difference.
Get home means I get home at 5 o'clock. This is okay.
Get home.
That's definite time. Or I got home. I got home means I came home. But go home is I'm doing now. But Okay. Next, why do parents usually try to send their children to college? Why do parents usually try to send their children to college? Good start. Why do parents usually try to send their children to college?
Because why?
Yes, anything is okay. Anything is okay.
Because they want to be. They want.
Why? Why do parents usually send their children to college?
They don't want to be very stupid.
They don't want to be stupid. Be careful. I'm asking you. You mean your answer means your parents don't want to be stupid. But my question is why do parents usually send their children to college?
It's
Because
they have to.
you mean they means parents or children?
Parents.
Parents have to what?
The parents have to send the children, send their children to college.
Why?
Why?
I'm asking you why? Why do parents usually send their children to college?
Because they don't want their children to be poor.
Good. Okay, ask the same question.
Why?
Why? Why do parents
want their children to send?
Why do parents want to send their children to college? Send somebody to somewhere. Yeah, usually, if this is real class, they have a notebook, right? So I just write down.
Why do parents